Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video, we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to see the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is for the Monday's trading session. Let's start our analysis with Nifty chart first. Here I am using weekly chart of Nifty. This is the weekly chart of Nifty. As you can see, this is the weekly candle of Nifty. As you can see, it is a kind of spinning top. Continuously Nifty is forming a red candle, weekly candle, again it is forming a bullish candle, green candle, again red candle, again green candle, red candle, that is it alternatively forming a red candle and a green candle. So this week we have seen a red candle. Now the question is, for the next week will we see a green candle or not? For that the confirmation is only above this level, that is if Nifty starts trading above this point, I will tell you the exact level, above this point, then we may see a green candle again. If Nifty tests this level and again reverses from this level and break this low, as you can see, not even a single green candle has never came below this red candle. Here also, as you can see, this green candle never came below this red candle. Here also you can see this green candle never came below this red candle. So if at all on Monday, if Nifty trades below this low of this weekly candle, then we may see a downfall. We will shift the time frame to daily and see more clearly the important levels. Before that, let's mark the high and low of this weekly candle. The high of this candle is, let's mark it here, the high of this candle is around 18,662 and the low of this candle is around 18,464 daily. We are shifting the time frame to daily. As you can see, these are the 5 sessions. That is, from the last 5 sessions, we are in this week. Nifty has been in the range of 18,460 to 18,660. That is exactly Nifty is in range of 200 points. So if anyone wants to sell the range, they can sell this range for the next week also until Nifty breaks on either side. That is, it has to break on downside. That is, it has to trade below 18,464 or it has to trade above 18,662 for a trending move. So this is the daily thing. Now let's shift the time frame to hourly. Now let's see the important levels for the Monday trading session. Here, as I told you before, that is one can sell this 300 points range until market breaks on either side. That is, if index breaks this side, they can exit this position. That is, they can exit this call sell position and hold this position. If market breaks on downside, they can exit this put position and they can hold this call position. So what are the important levels on Monday? Unless index breaks on either side, that is either it has to break on the upside for a trending move or on the downside. If it is in this range, you will see a zigzag moves like this. If index breaks this range, that is if index starts trading above 18,660, then our first target will be 18,810. You can call it as 18,800 and our second target will be 18,900. It is our second target. If index trades below, that is if index breaks on downside, that is if index trades below 18,480, you can take it as 18,450. Then our downside targets will be for the Monday trading session. The first target will be 18,380 and the second target will be 18,250. Now let's start our analysis on Bank Nifty. Here I am using daily chart of Bank Nifty. As you can see it here. Here I am using daily chart. This has been the Bank Nifty's range for the past, that is for the past 20 days I think. That is, past index has given a breakout on upside but unable to sustain here. You can see it here. Index has given a breakout, this candle sustained one day and again came into this range. So we can call it as a false breakout. The upside confirmation will be only above this level. Only above this level we can long Bank Nifty, that is near 44,480 or something like that. You can call it as 44,500. So the trending move in Bank Nifty will only come once the index breaks the range on either on downside or on upside. Until then we will see zigzag moves like this in Bank Nifty also. The same is with Bank Nifty. Now let's shift the time frame to hourly and let's see the important levels for the Monday trading session. This is the hourly time frame of Bank Nifty. As you can see, what is the trend here? Bank Nifty till here it is in uptrend. Now it has broken this low, that is this low has been broken and the higher highs have been stopped. So what is the trend? The Bank Nifty has reversed direction. Now the Bank Nifty is in reversal direct, that is in downtrend. Here you can see it is impulsive move, correction, impulsive move, correction. Again, we don't know whether it will be impulsive move or it will stop here and it will reverse from here. So the confirmation, that is the continuation of this trend, is only below this level, that is below this area, that is below 43,700. We will see a continuation of this trend, that is continuation of this downtrend. Okay, and reversal will be from here. So what are the levels for the Monday trading session? Below 43,700 we will short the position, and above 44,100 we can take it as, we can keep some buffer and we can take it as, if index sustains above 44,150, then our first target will be this swing high, that is 44,500, and the second target will be 44,900. If index continues its structure, the present structure, that is if the index continues its downtrend like this, if again break this low is near 43,700, then our first target will be this one, 43,450, and the second target will be 43,080. Clear? If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.